How to save songs on Instagram Reels. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device firstly. On the bottom of your screen, you will see various options. Tap on the fourth option from the left side of your screen. That option is the option for Reels on Instagram. Now select the song that you want to save. Once selected, tap on small music icon you see beside the audio name. You will be led to all the reels made with that particular audio. In order to save the audio, tap on the save icon that you see on the top right of your screen. With this, your audio will be saved. To check the saved audios, go to your profile. Tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for saved. Tap on that and now there you will see a separate folder for audios. Tap on that and all the audios that you have saved will be saved here. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.